kugira abavugi abarikwegetera omu kibiina ekya Hoima Kampala Drivers Association tibakaganyirwaga omu program nk'eya Parish Development Model kandi nibenda ngu babagaitemu. Chairperson w'ekibiina eki John Taylor nagira ngu abavugi omu Hoima bakiri abooro kandi bashaba government kubashagika obwerikubahayo bwarono bukye.
We have so many vehicles operating on this route Hoima Kampala state. So when they go in Kampala, they don't make a return journey. They stay there for 3 days. And you know, when they stay there for 3 days, they spend money in lodges and
Jagonza na kuongera kusaba executive yake Komeru kuengaginga muno government kuba government bwire buno bakugaba for example sente za PDM.
Vanessa Karubanga ori omuhandiiki w'ekibiina kya Hoima Kampala Drivers Association yashobora nagira ngu ba driver baingi driving permit zabo zikakwatwa babahereza roni.
Now for us as kind of facing the problem of these money lenders. These money lenders, they usually come to our members, they get their national IDs, driving permits, they give them money with a high interest rate. So now our target is to get our real money from our associations through our collection, and with time we shall establish a body responsible for giving out these soft loans to our drivers.
Kenneth Kwegonza ori chairman w'ekibiina eki nagira ngu hariho omuvugi n'omwe owaganyirwe omu program za government nk'eya Parish Development Model.
join PDM circle to get that money so that the drivers can benefit on that program of the government as to improve the poverty from the drivers.
Ebi babigambiro babiri batorana bebembeza abasya omu kibiina kyabo ekya Hoima Kampala Drivers Association. Humphrey Mugisha chairperson wa paaka ya Hoima yashaba abavugi kukora n'amaani.
Executive empyaka eizire kandi nimbagumiza nti singa twaikaraga tute tuli bamu n'emirimo yaitu mpake kubayire nyingi muno.
Gashakwa Gada Saba habwa Sky Television Agenshong.